for this handbag, here you see it's a zipper. And if we want to fill in the sauce into this zipper snap-out pouch, then this machine can help you. And first, this is for holding the bags. And for different bag size, you can adjust this button. This is for adjust the bag length. And this is for this button, this black button for adjust the bag width. Here you can see these two parts are moving. And then here we see it has three suckers, and sucker the bags into the filling process. And for this whole set zipper snap-out pouch filling machine, it has 8 positions. Here you see it's seamless touch screen. And this part here we can see is for the date printer.
你去那边。
This is for date printer, and we have the mechanical arms holding the bag for filling process. Then we come to this position. This is for filling process.
我是弄了一个开拉链的。
And for this bag, we can see here's a zipper here, and our machine can do the automatic open the zipper and also close the zipper.
就是这儿吧。
And from here you can see it's for the hopper, and it can connect with your storage tank. And here is a pipe connected with the filling nose. And here is the emergency stop button. And this part.
Pump.
This button, for this button, you can adjust the filling weight, because if you want to pack 100 grams or 200 grams, you can adjust the filling weight here.
就是有个刻度。
对 ，it's a measurement. Tight this black button, and then you can move. And for this motor is for mixing, because if your sauce have any granule inside, you need add the mixing. The motor is for mixing function. And for this part is for the sealing, for the pre-sealing of the bags.
Pre-filling. 我说是一层。
Pre-filling.
那啥，那不是关拉链的地方。
This is for closing the zippers. And the zipper should be in the middle of this. Yeah, and close the zippers. Then go to the preheating, and the second time heating. This is for second time heating, because we're heating twice for the bags and avoid leakage. And then we come to the finished conveyor belt, and the packaged zipper punch will come out from this conveyor belt. And here we show you the spare parts list for control box, for top box. For screwdriver，我也不知道这是什么东西。mental brush， 你可以点结束啊，你直接点结束吧。